Well, there's this old nursery rhyme that goes, step on a crack, you'll break your mom's back. And you step on a line, you break your father's spine. Well, I have a new one for you. If once upon a time you actually find a crack, we'll repair it. It's not a nursery rhyme, but it's an important message. Hi, I'm Victor with Arizona Foundation Solutions. You know, concrete cracks due to a variety of factors, and understanding the causes of why concrete cracks and knowing how to repair them can really help you maintain your garage floor and prevent further damage. So in this video, I hope you learn a little bit more about how we go over these types of cracks, how they occur, what causes them, and again, what steps you can take as a homeowner to really find out how to really take care of these. And if you could, please hit that subscribe button if you like everything you've seen today. And we hope that you like everything concrete related with us. So some common issues with garages is, number one, every once in a while you're gonna see these plastic shrinkage cracks. All right, these are very minor hairline cracks that happen when the concrete cures and it just evaporates really quickly. And so you start seeing spiderweb cracks, okay? So you're gonna start seeing that. There's also expansion cracks. These expansion cracks come from the concrete expanding, contracting due to heat and cold weather and temperatures. Every once in a while you have cracks as a result of movement, and sometimes those cracks will heave or settle because of the soil underneath. Sometimes just concrete itself doesn't have the proper control joints, and so it just cracks all over the place just because it doesn't have enough joints. Every once in a while, there's going to be some shrinkage cracks that occur, especially on some larger slabs, and that results in a really big dry out. You know, they pour that slab maybe on a hot sunny day and boom, you get a bunch of small little cracks. But in particular, let's talk about garage cracks. What are these cracks that are in my garage and how do they occur? So oddly enough, your garage floor crack can actually have some really good insight on other things that could be forming in other parts of your concrete around your home. You know, things like foundation damage, that can happen inside the home, under your tile, where you can't really see it. And so that could be a good indication that there could be some other cracking inside the home. You know, sometimes these types of cracks can mean it was just poor construction. Something was mixed improper or done on a hot day, like I mentioned earlier, and you know, you get really bad concrete pour. Sometimes over time, age will affect concrete or just extreme temperature. I know we have those hot garages out here in Arizona, so some people can relate. You might have a cold garage because of the up north weathering as well. So what can I do about these garage cracks? You know, is there a DIY method? Instead of hiring a professional like us, how do we deal with these small cracks? Well, DIY repair is possible using products like silica sand and concrete crack repair products. However, far larger cracks and structural cracks are advisable to seek professional help. Some easy tips for doing it yourself. Number one is we start with cutting small grooves on both sides of the crack using a circular saw. Remove that material using a cold chisel or a maul, and make sure you take care to avoid an injury. Fill that crack with a silicone epoxy or concrete resurfacer. Allow that repair to cure the recommended time that's on the product. Make sure to keep clear of that area. Before you're doing any additional garage slab crack work, have it evaluated first by a foundation repair specialist, and let's see if that crack isn't a bigger problem or an underlying issue of something else. Garage floors are often overlooked when it comes to a serious repair, so if you see cracks forming inside your garage, there's a strong possibility the rest of your concrete slab could be having some similar issues. Keep an eye on your garage and your concrete. If there's any indications of a slab problem, you know, let us know. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and until then, catch you to the next video.